What would your life look like if you had all the money you needed? Let me introduce you to Geva Gazit. He's been in your shoes, answering to bosses, pleasing clients, working endless hours to make other people's dreams come true. Geva's life was just like yours until he realized there's a better way of trading, a way that many top investors don't want people like you to know. To put it in another way, if like most people, you work too hard and don't make enough money, you'll keep living like that until you change something in your life. We're here to give you the solution. Geva developed his very own futures trading technique and reached financial freedom faster than he ever imagined. Now, he wants you to have it. The technique is called 3D trading, three-dimensional trading. It's simple, almost foolproof. With it, you'll learn how to make at least $100 per day, every day, with only the sky as the limit. To start earning, all you have to do is click below, sign up, and download the free ebook. Geva already helped many people reach financial freedom, one day at a time. And the best part, it will cost you nothing. Just download the free ebook, where Geva reveals his trading secrets to you. So click below. It's the only thing that stands between you and life-changing sums of money. Remember, if you won't do anything now, you'll just keep working too hard, living from weekend to weekend. Is this how you want to live your life? We want to give you a life of abundance with plenty of free time for yourself, but you must hurry. We're giving the ebook for free for a limited time. So click the button below and let's begin.